In this video, I'll guide you through how to target attorneys with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a product or service specifically designed for attorneys or law firms, it's much more effective to focus your advertising on that audience instead of showing your ads to everyone. Facebook Ads Manager gives you several ways to build a targeted audience, although it's worth noting that Facebook has been gradually shifting toward more automated targeting with Advantage Plus. At the time of this tutorial, you can still create a custom audience that focuses on attorneys by using detailed targeting options. There are several things to consider when building that audience. One of the most useful methods is targeting by job titles. Common examples include attorney, lawyer, associate attorney, attorney at law, legal counsel, corporate lawyer, business lawyer, contract attorney, civil lawyer, criminal defense lawyer, and similar legal professions. You can also expand your audience by including fields of study such as law, legal studies, or a Juris Doctor degree. In addition, interests like legal services, litigation, corporate law, family law, criminal defense, intellectual property law, and divorce law can help refine your audience even further. If you know the names of large law firms in your target area, you can also include them as employers. Professional associations or memberships that are specific to a particular state or region can also be useful when your offer only applies to attorneys in that location. Now let's build the audience inside Facebook Ads Manager. From the menu on the left, select Audiences, then choose Create Audience followed by Saved Audience. Give your audience a descriptive name, then add the location you want to target, such as a specific state. If you're only serving attorneys in one area, make sure your location settings reflect that so your ads aren't shown nationwide. You can also enter a language if needed. Age and gender are optional, since your professional targeting will naturally narrow the audience. Next, move down to Detailed Targeting and begin adding your job titles, interests, employers, and fields of study. If you notice that Advantage Plus Audience is expanding your targeting, switch into the Advantage Plus view and then return to the original audience options so your detailed targeting is applied as intended. As you continue adding relevant legal professions and interests, watch the estimated audience size and adjust until you have a reach that fits your campaign goals. Once you're satisfied with your audience, click Create Saved Audience. After it's saved, you can simply select that audience whenever you create a new Facebook ad campaign, making it easy to consistently reach attorneys with messaging that's tailored specifically to them. By combining accurate audience targeting with ad creatives that clearly speak to attorneys in your chosen location, you'll give Facebook stronger signals about who should see your ads, helping your campaigns reach the right professionals more effectively.